What's up, O8 Fellowship? Today I am going to do a video on how to make root beer float. They're gonna be so amazing and all that jazz. I cannot wait to start this video. But first off, I have a special guest. It's my niece. What?
Nothing. Hi guys.
So yeah, she was in the cupcake video, which
Do
took...
not watch the cupcake video.
Why not?
It was the cringiest thing ever.
It took a
I
long...
regret all my life choices from doing that.
Get out!
Okay, bye.
No, seriously, I'm gonna need your help making this. So yeah, for those of you who do not know me, I'm Mr. Daniel Lee. I do a wide variety of stuff on my channel. Food recipes, videos, which SML inspired me to do it, vlogs, ASMR, all that jazz. So be sure to check it out, subscribe, and turn on notifications to see whenever we're posting a video. But anyway, never mind. But anyway, let's just start. That's just one of my friends.
Why do you have him on the...
I don't know.
Okay.
Anyway, like I was saying, this is what you're gonna need in order to make a root beer float. You're gonna need a frozen ice mug and all that jazz.
One for me.
Some whipped cream to top it all off and jazz. You're gonna need, of course, root beer. And then you're gonna need some, wait, it's in there. You can either add sprinkles or chocolate syrup. We're gonna add chocolate syrup since we couldn't find any sprinkles. And vanilla ice cream.
That's not it.
And to make it all fancy and jazz, we're gonna top it off with a cherry. Let me see if I have a scooper.
Cherries on top?
Yep. Can you cut it real quick?
Mr. Great. Oh wait.
What?
We kind of look for the scooper even though spoons exist.
Well, scoopers are much more appreciated for this thing, but I think I'm gonna have to get a bigger one.
Yeah, why do you get a small?
Get out. Not actually. Anyway, so what you're gonna... Get back here, Julie. What are you doing? Huh?
It's too sunny. I'm not getting up.
Alright, so first off, what you're gonna need to do is add some 2 or 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream in there. I'm gonna try to get it into a perfect
This
ball
is from
shape.
Dollar Tree. $1.25.
How do you know that?
You want? Because it says right there.
I'm trying to make it into a perfect sphere, but I don't think it's gonna work.
Okay, Miko. No, I'm sorry.
Call me that one more time and I'm
No,
straight.
it's a force of habit.
You know what else is a force of habit?
Strangling me.
No. Okay, that's 1. There you go.
I'm scared.
I hate the sound of this thing.
I hate the sound of your voice.
What?
Nothing.
Alright, and here's 2. Get in there,
So,
boy!
Yeah, you can just scoop it in there.
Okay.
My turn.
And then afterwards, you're gonna add some...
Wait till I do it. Anyways, I'm gonna talk.
I'm gonna have to put mine in the freezer for a while, so it doesn't melt.
Oh, let's put this with them.
Oh my god!
What if I do it?
Dude, you're gonna have to push it in. Oh my god! You took the entire thing. I swear, this is gonna be way more catastrophic than the cupcake bit. I didn't say you could eat it.
In the trash can over here.
No, it's the other door.
Oh my god.
It slides in and out. You can put the lid in there too.
You disgusting.
Get out! Sorry, my niece and I are like this almost every day we're with each other. Like I said, this is gonna be way more catastrophic. Do you think this is gonna be way more catastrophic than the cupcake video?
I don't know.
Afterwards, after you're done putting your ice cream...
I hate you. I hope you explode. Why did it bubble like that?
We're gonna put in some root beer. We're doing it at the same time.
Mine's already.
Ah! I feel like she added way too much ice cream. Seriously, like a dog?
You're built like a dog.
Get out. Then afterwards, you wait till it simmers down and all that jet. No further questions, please. You want me to add some of mine?
I still have.
Some got on my. It's overflowing.
So my birthday party was what, June 28th?
Yes, but her actual birthday was June 21st.
You see this? This is the candy thing I gave out. Danny's is full. He didn't eat one piece of candy. Danny, this is 2 months old.
So?
Oh my god. Danny's not the goat.
Wait till you see the comment section.
I'm not watching this video, by the way.
You better, or else I'm raiding your house.
So, I know the best part of Danny's videos is when I'm in his videos. I've been in like 4 of his videos. What is it?
Halloween special?
The Halloween special. What was it? The Super Bowl?
Yes, the Super Bowl video.
Yeah, the Super Bowl video. No. Cupcake video.
And
this. And I might teach Danny how to make cookies.
Please do. Please do.
Can we? Like,
Yeah, we can now.
what's this? Ooh.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right. Now we're gonna add the whipped cream to it. My root beer can's not empty yet, or is yours? Now we're gonna add the whipped cream into
Mine already looks better than yours.
And now cherry on top. Oh wait, what about the chocolate syrup?
I'm dead. Take the cherry off.
I'm just gonna sit right there.
Ew, disgusting. Bro, mine looks so much more perfect than yours.
Wait till you put on the thing.
Oh, it spilled.
I feel like it looks better with sprinkles, doesn't it? And
Sprinkles.
there you go. That is how you make a root beer float. So anyway, we're gonna take a sip of it and see how it turned out. We're gonna cheers on all of it.
Uh-oh.
Cheers.
Ew, the chocolate clinked together.
So how is it?
Tastes like root beer.
That's of course what it is. What? What's wrong?
Please don't watch your cupcake video. You guys like my beautiful belt? Danny didn't want it to be more down because he's too tall.
That makes sense.
I'm gonna tell you guys a funny story. So, one day when I was at Danny's house, he kind of, sort of, maybe farted in my face.
Cut that part out.
No. He farted in my face.
That was way back when I was young.
Huh? Where's the ice cream? I want the ice cream.
You finished the entire thing.
You like my beard?
I feel like mine looks better than yours.
I'm shaving, look.
I'm gonna add more root beer to this.
I hope you get diabetes.
You think I should have made it one with Coke?
Aim. Sorry. No. Coke float.
So yeah, and that is how you make a root beer float. Let me know in the comments down below what recipe you'd like to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, cut the outro out. How would you rate the root beer float out of? Seriously?
I mean, 6.5. Doesn't taste like how a root beer float looks like.
I'd say it's all right. I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. I mean, like, root beer is not really like my favorite soda.
He's lying. He loves root beer, and he hates Coca-Cola.
I'm actually a Coca-Cola fanatic.
Oh my god. You're a mango addict, strawberry addict, and now Coke?
Just because I'm a Coke addict?
Get out.
Just because I like Coke.
Get out.
Just because I like
out.
Coke.
Get
Just
out.
because I like
Get
Coke
out.
doesn't necessarily mean I'm an addict.
I'm getting abused.
Oh, you think that's abuse? Replay the cupcake part.
No, don't do that. Okay, so get the scissors, you big black. Now we cut here,
Is this roasting me or something?
and we cut here, and you don't have a girlfriend.
Oh, I've been waiting for this moment.
You almost murdered me.
Okay. Now that was probably cruel of me, but she deserved that.
No, don't have that part.
Like, okay. I'm closing out of this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe, and do all that jazz. And I'll see you guys next time.